Hello, friends. I need to drop this piece of advice very quickly. If you cannot remember how much people helped you with in the past, if you cannot remember the figure, the exact figure, please do not remember how much you've helped people with. The figure, do not remember it. If you want the head not to remember anything, let it be, so shall it be. Let it not only remember the good things you've done for people, not the good things people have done for you. But if you can remember the good things you did for people in the past and the good things you still do for them at present, please always remember the good things people do for you and what they still do for you at present.